Good morning, dear student. This is your chapter 5, lines and angles. And as you got the introduction of this particular chapter, so we are starting our exercise first. That means 5.1. And under it, first question is find the complement of each of the following angles. Here 1, 2, 3. Three angles are given to us of different measure, and we have to find the complement of these angles. So let us see the solutions. Now, dear student, first one is 20-degree angle. So two angles are said to be complementary if the sum of their measures is 90 degree. Two angles are said to be complementary if the sum of their measures is 90 degree. So what we will do? See, here given angle is 20 degree. Let the measures of its complement is equals to x degree. यहाँ पे जो अननोन एंगल है यानी कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल है इस 20 डिग्री के एंगल का, उसको हमने x डिग्री कंसिडर कर लिया. दैट ओके. देन 20 डिग्री प्लस x डिग्री इक्वल 90 डिग्री. दैट मीन्स इस एंगल 20 डिग्री का और इसे कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल का सम 90 डिग्री होगा. देन x डिग्री इक्वल, देन वी ट्रांसपोज दिस 20 through the RHS. Then 90 minus 20 equals 70 degree. So x degree equals 70 degree. Hence the complement of the given angle measures 70 degree. Second one, the angle measure is 63 degree. Sum of the measures of complementary angles equal 90 degree. Here given angle equals 63 degree. Let the measure of its complement equal x degree. Then 63 plus x degree will be 90 degree. So x degree equal 90 degree minus 63 degree. That means what we have to do? We only need to subtract the given angle from 90 degree. Then whatever the difference we will get, that will be the complementary angle of the given angle. हम 90 में से इस मेज़र को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे तो हमें जो एंगल मेज़र मिलेगा वो क्या होगा? इस एंगल का कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल. क्यों? क्योंकि दोनों एंगल का सम 90 डिग्री ही होगा, तभी वो क्या होंगे? कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल होंगे. ओके. एंड देयर द सम इज, द डिफरेंस इज 27. ओके. 10 minus 3 7, then it is 8. 8 minus 6 2. Okay. Third one, sum of the measures of complementary angle is 90 degree, that we know. Here given angle is of 57 degree. Let the measures of its complement equal x degree. Okay. Then in next page, 57 degree plus x degree equal 90 degree. X degree equal 90 degree minus 57 degree. Then difference of 90 and 57 is 33. Okay. So it is 33 degree. Here we found the complementary angles for these angle measures. Now second question is find the supplement of each of the following angles. And dear student, as I already explained you, that two angles are said to be supplementary if the sum of their measures is 180 degree. Okay. The given angle equal 105 degree. It is of 105 degree. So what we will do? Let the measure of its supplement equal x degree. हमने इसके सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल को x डिग्री लेट कर लिया. देन 105 डिग्री प्लस x डिग्री इक्वल 180 डिग्री. देन इन नेक्स्ट स्टेप वी विल ट्रांसपोज दिस 105 डिग्री. जस्ट लाइक व्हाट वी फाउंड द कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स by subtracting the value from 90 degree. So here we will subtract the angle measure from 180 degree and the difference is 75. Okay, then second angle measure is given to us, it is of 87 degree. Then sum of the measures of the supplementary angles equal 180 degree. Let the measure of its supplement equal x degree. Then measure of angle equal 87 degree. Then 87 degree plus x degree equal 180 degree. And then after transposing we are subtracting 87 from 180. Okay, 180 minus 80 is 100 and 100 minus 7 is 93 degree is our answer. Let us see the third one of question number 2. And the angle given is of 154 degree. Sum of the measures of supplementary angles equal 180 degree, that we know. Measures of the angle equal 154. Let the measure of its supplement equal x degree. Then the sum of this angle and its supplement will be 180 degree. इन दोनों एंगल का सम 180 डिग्री होगा, एंगल और उसका सप्लीमेंट्री का. तो h डिग्री इक्वल द डिफरेंस ऑफ 180 एंड द एंगल गिवन. देन 10 minus 4 6, then 7 minus 5 2, so it is 26 degree. 1 minus 1 0. Okay, now dear student, third question given to us is identify which of the following pairs of angles are complementary and which are supplementary. Okay, so this is the question, and under it there are 6 questions given to us here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and two angles are given to us, means pairs of angles are given to us in each question. Now what we need to find, we need to find which pair is supplementary or which pair is complementary, so that we know that the sum of the angles, if the sum of the angles is 180 degree, then they will be supplementary to each other, and when the sum will be 90 degree, then they will be complementary to each other. That we wrote, if the sum of the two angles measure is 90 degree, then the two angles are said to be complementary, and if the sum of two angles measure is 180 degree, then the two angles are said to be the supplementary. First one, 65 degree and 115 degree. Then 65 degree plus 115 degree is equals to 180 degree. Okay, therefore these angles are supplementary angles because their sum is 180 degree. Then second one, 63 degree and 27 degree. Then 63 degree plus 27 degree equal 90 degree. Therefore these angles are complementary angles. Why? Because their sum is 90 degree. Third one is 112 degree and 68 degree. 112 degree and 68 degree. Then 112 plus 68 degree is equals to 100 plus 60 160, 168 plus 2 170, 170 plus 10 180 degree. Then what we will write, that these angles are, therefore these angles are supplementary. Okay, fourth one is 130 degree and 50 degree. Then we will add them. 130 degree plus 50 degree equal 180 degree. So sum is of 180 degree. So these angles are supplementary. Then next, given to us 45 degree and 45 degree. So we are adding these measures, and 5 plus 5 10, 0 carry 1, 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 4 9, again 90 degree. So these angles are complementary. Okay. Then sixth one, 80 degree and 10 degree is given to us. -90 degree. So these angles are complementary. And dear student, here if one angle is of 10 degree, then 80 degree angle will be the complementary angle for it. And if one angle is of 80 degree, then the 10 degree angle will be the complementary for this. Means ये दोनों एंगल एक दूसरे के लिए कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री होंगे. They are complementary to each other. Okay. Now let us see question number 4. And question number 4 is find the angle which is equal to its complement. Here we have to find the angle which is equal to its complement. Now see, let the measure of the required angle equal x degree. We know that sum of measures of complementary angle is complementary angle pair is 90 degree. Means the sum of the two angles, those are complementary to each other, is 90 degree. Here the main question is find the angle which is equal to its complement. हमें यहाँ पर वो एंगल फाइंड आउट करना है जो कि उसके कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल के इक्वल होगा, यानी दोनों का मेजर इक्वल होना चाहिए और दोनों का सम 90 डिग्री होना चाहिए. देन वी लेट द एंगल एज x डिग्री. सो x डिग्री plus x degree will be equals to 90 degree. Then x degree plus x degree, 2x degree equal 90 degree. Then x equal 90 upon 2. After transposing, we are dividing this by 2. Then 90 divided by 2 is 45. Hence the required angle measured is 45 degree. Okay. So this is the end of your question number 4. Here your question number 1 to 4 completed.